Myntri Rangbah ka jala konrad ke sangma hanin ka sngi ulo ang ba kalong kabadan kamban play jingbot bat sim khia yak jingpan sngo bat kimat basong nongrim jong ka College Teachers Association MCTA habayade bat ka jingputri kam yak National Education Policy NEP ar po habajubam sekilat pathai kubor halor kijing jong kijing putri kam yak NEP hapo ka jala da ka babu jingmot yak kijing ki non cooperation movement jong ka MCTA usang ma ulang ba kino hikai college kim persya yak NEP nakaliang jong ulang ba kino hikai college ki kwa bantip kumno kin pentri kam yak NEP bat kat no kijing kersan kinyo ulang ru ba kijing pentri kam yak NEP kadai kijing penkriya syukur kam trekam bathamai bat kan amlong kabasuk.
There is no impasse as such. It's a process. Please understand, NEP implementation is a transition into a new system. And transition into a new system is something that obviously is not so simple. And hence, we need to give a time to transit into the new system. And hence, that process is on. Is it easy? It's not. Why? Because we need more rooms. We need more disciplines. We need more teachers. Let us understand that it is a process. It does take time. There's a lot of funds involved. Question is, how do we organize it and how do we move forward in it? But bottom line is, there is no choice. We have to move forward. Everybody, all colleges also will agree that it is the right thing to do.
Myntri Public Health Engineering